One of the lessons I continue to struggle with about reconciliation is that it really begins inside yourself. And this poem is about that struggle when traveling in Europe and seated in a train across from an old German woman, and it's called Fraulein on a Train. I look at you and I count them. Those lines I fear on your face, the creases of neck and throat, your crow's feet, your brow, the permanent frown tattooed around thin lips. They whisper your age, and I count them. You wear those years in your skin, precise as the tracks of railroad, lines defining the distance between here and there, between now and then, because I need to know how old you were when it happened. I need to see beyond the dark center of eyes, shiny as black leather, yet worn and weary as the age you wear in these lines on your face. I need to erase this hatred I see, not yours, but mine. This hatred I harbor as knowledge of a secret, crime committed years ago, still dangerous and threatening as fear, as individual silence, as the collective laughter I hear in the harshness of your language, the conductor's footsteps in the aisle of this train. And I hate these sounds, as I hate your age, my silence, and fear, as I look at you and I count them.